Should you avoid probate? This is really a very client-specific question. We don't take the approach that everyone has to avoid probate. We take the approach that we'd like to educate you about what probate is, how you can avoid it, and then you, as a client, are deciding what is the best route to go. Probate is a court proceeding, so everything filed in court becomes a public record, which means things that were kept quiet, who your heirs are and what they're receiving before you passed away, now becomes public. So that might be one reason why you'd want to avoid probate. Another thing to consider is that because probate is a court system, as you might expect, there are delays, or it just takes a while to get through the court system versus being able to act quickly and immediately. So if you want to make sure that your family can act quickly and efficiently on your behalf and doesn't have to go through court first, you may want to avoid probate. And if you want to keep your affairs private, everything about what your estate plan looks like and who you provided for and under what circumstances, then you definitely want to avoid probate. There are also significant costs and expenses involved that come out of the estate, so that's another consideration. A will, and this may actually surprise you, but a will does not avoid probate. A will has to be filed in a court before it can be legally effective, and anyone can act on your behalf or your estate's behalf. A will has to be filed in court before it is legally effective, and anyone can act on your behalf or on your estate's behalf. So a will does not avoid probate. If you decide probate is something you want to avoid having to put your family through, then I would recommend that you utilize a living trust as part of your plan. And check out our FAQs here on what a living trust is and what a will is, because I go into a few more details. But if you decide that the court system is ultimately not ideal for your family, then you should avoid probate as part of your plan and create a trust.